push.
Each seat is provided with a seat belt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seat belt by pulling loose end.
Mabuhay.
Picture tumata.
Hai ủa đó. Rồi đi ra. Again. Again tomorrow. You can have breakfast.
Diri lang po. What's the view here? No view here? Nothing special? Oh, later.
But Danang now is the most famous. Huh? Next question. Which one symbolize? Simple. Which one symbolize for the Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia? You understand my question?
Symbolize.
Yeah, symbolize. Hey, Dragon Fish, everyone! Okay. Okay, look, everyone. Look your left hand side. Well, congratulations! Yeah, everyone! Dragon Fish, everyone! Yeah, dragon! Okay, I want to show you the picture, everyone. Dragon! Dragon Tulay.
Yes.
Tagalog, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Everyone, Dragon Tulay. Everyone, look. Dragon Tulay in the night time. Everyone. Very colorful, right? Yeah. This is the longest iron dragon Tulay all over the world. Yeah. That's very long. With the 666 meter length. City na group. Very tama. Okay. Okay, everyone. Sometimes I just joke. please do not complain me, okay? Okay, because we travel, it okay? Yeah, okay, thank you for, yeah, that much everybody happy, fun, right? Okay, thank you so much for your understanding. Okay, everyone, in Da Nang City, we have the four beautiful tulay. So, four beautiful tulay. The first one is dragon, okay? Okay, the second one I'm going to show you, everyone. The second one, Trân Trân Thi Li. Vietnamese Trân, but English Trân, right? Tran. Pha. Thi. Thi. Trân Thi. Ly. Ly Ly. Trân Thi Li, okay? This is the Trân Thi Li Tulay. Yeah, Trân Thi Li Tulay. Trân Thi Li Tulay, okay? Yeah, the second Tulay. The second beautiful Tulay. Yes, river in Da Nang City, everyone. Hang River. That's why they put the name Hang Tulay. Everyone, Hang Tulay. Yeah, this is Hang River. And you can see, actually, to be honest with you, 25 years ago, nobody in the new city. The other side, the new city. Here is the old city. Your hotel, your airport last night, located in the old city. Old city. The other side, the new city. 25 years ago, nobody in the new city because no more tulay. The first tulay will be in Da Nang 25 years ago, Hang Tulay. And you know, after the first tulay, Hang Tulay finished, because the local government here, they decided open, expand. Yeah, they want to open the new area. So they built the Hang Tulay, connect the old city to new city. The other side is the new city. And after the first tulay finished, the economists in the new city and the whole city in Da Nang, the economists boom. A lot of foreigners invest a lot of money, a huge amount of money to Da Nang city. And we develop very quickly, everyone. Now you see a lot of luxury building under construction. You see a lot of under construction. See over there. Look. Right? Now a lot of foreigners invest a huge amount of money for the hotel, for the restaurant, for the coffee shop, for the massage. Everyone. A lot of service sector. Now we focus on the tourism, everyone. Now a lot of tourists in the Da Nang city. You see the last night in Da Nang airport, very long queue immigration, right? Yeah, every day like this. Everyone. Very good city. That's why now the property in Da Nang very expensive. Very expensive. Property. The house. Everyone very expensive. Actually, I cannot buy the house here. My hometown is the mountainous area. I just rent the room nearby your hotel for working. Because very expensive now, everyone. Good, very good city, but expensive, right? Yeah, everyone. Yeah, everyone, Dragon Bridge. Now I want to show you, everyone. I want to show you, everyone. Look your left hand side. I want to. We have like Golden Gate in the San Francisco. Everyone. Yeah. Like Golden Gate in San Francisco. The last tulay I want to show you. second one is okay. Yeah. So I want to show you one more activity, everyone. Yeah, one more activity. Yeah. Everyone, help. This is a cultural show. Heritage show, cultural show, indoor activity. Everyone, yeah, you can understand history and development of Danang City.
University Hospital. Principal. Dapat tayo, mawala, ipa.
Hello, Sue. Hi, Sue. Gusto mo mabasa? Ayun, dito ko. It's not good. I will not get it. Okay, mama. Sipa, ganito lang.
Nami ka to. Si-chan! Si-chan! Good morning! Overnight.
So, para ma-enhance yung comfort ng guest po, negative ion. Familiar po kayo sa PCOS, sa mga babae?
Yes.
So, ito yung for rainy season. Sa ilalim po, for summer, kasi malalaki yung...
Bilang.
Picture lang tayo dao.
May kalo sila. Kabaydet. Ato, okay na. Ako. Sayaw mo. Tagalog pa. Oh.
Khách đi là bỏ theo cái đấy này. Tại con sẽ đem
Only here?
để tìm coi shopping.
Tagalog ka? That's our food.
Yes, together.
Okay. Yo, makainit isa.
Hindi na to, ta, day. Para o.
Ay, Diyos ko. Siling.
Mabuhay! Maganda, Pogi!
Picturean niyo mga kami, Pi. Uy, picture kami. Okay, thank you. Good. Oh, sige, bye-bye.
Siyang gano.
Siya ang mabakal, taga-German.
Siya na.
Hindi na paano siya ang spelling na mga magtutod.
Mga P naman sa kayo.
Oo, ang iba mo.
P lang.
Paano ko si Paul sa tamo sa kapatid.
P lang galing.
Na, there, video lang.
Walking this na.
Ako yung kasi.
뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자
Sa pagkikinig like a lot of people took the picture over there with the flower, with the vintage building.
Karon lang. How much is one set? Pa-sound. Gabi yung incense ba daw? Ano na din na brigya, oh? Ato lakas, eh. Para naman siya. Tayo, Hollister. Ay, nabi ka doon. Lahat at ito, be.
Lahat sa phone. Parang kita ito.
Gemstone. Wow. What's this? Silver? Real? 927, 925? Yeah. S925? Ariyo damo bang may banggol? Oh? Ariyo banggol? Original?
Original.
This one?
Original.
How much this one?
This one.
Mag-dinner na tayo.
Anay, kuha daw, anay. Mang sáu cho một đó. Yeah. Group 1 and group 2. But no, I over there at the first table. Yeah, first table, group 1, group 2. Anyone, see her later. See her over there. See her. Okay, we go to the lady booth and start here first. Everyone should be on time back to the batch, huh?
Oh, very nice bonsai, huh?
Yeah, a lot of bonsai.
Wow.
Lady Buddha is back there. Okay, hold on, folks.
Shinbo over there.
Ay, sorry. Oh,
Sakit tingot saka.
nasakitan ka. Wala pa. Wala pa ako nasakitan. Oh. Oh. Hello. Ah. Uy, pwede Buddha.
Let's go straight.
Si Grabo.